how are you? I hope all are fine. In previous class, we write CW. First lesson CW. How many questions are completed? Yes, 8 questions. In this class, we write 9, 10, 11 questions. Remaining questions in this class, we will write in CW. Now, open your CW. Write the 9th question in textbook to see. See and write. What is the 9th question? Ask your friend to think of the name of any food item. Now you have to guess its name. For this, you can ask some questions. Your friend can only answer yes or no. How many questions did you ask before you could guess the name? Write the question seeing in textbook. Okay? I will write here 9th question answer. Note down first. By asking some primary questions and subsidiary questions, we can guess the answers. For example, what is it made with? Is it rice? Is it rice? What is made with? Here, what is it? It means the food item. What is it made with? Is it rice? It is made with rice. Like that question asking time, we have subordinary questions. Subsidiary. Here, subsidiary. First one. Is it pulao? B. It is pulihora. This one also question. C. Is it biryani? Here, what is it made with? Is it here? Is it rice? Here we say if yes, then this type of questions we have. What is it made with? The food item made with. What is made with? What is the item? For prepare that food item. Is it rice? Means main ingredient is rice. The answer is if yes, then we have subsidiary questions. Is it pulao or no? We made pulao with rice. Next one. It is pulihora. Pulihora also a rice containing item. Next one. Is it biryani? Like this, etc. Etc. means so many like this. Means payasam. Like that, we ask different subsidiary questions. Next one. Next. Some primary questions. Primary. Wait. It is not come like this. Some primary questions. questions. Clues. Clues to ask subsidiary questions. First one. Here some primary question. There the first one. Whether it is a salad. This one is question. That's why we completed question mark. Here clues to ask subsidiary questions. Vegetable salad, fruit salad. Here primary question. Whether it is a salad. In that time we ask like this subsidiary questions. That salad is vegetable salad or fruit salad. Next one. Whether it is a chart. Now you say what is the subsidiary questions here? Primary question is whether it is a chart. In that time fruit chart like the questions called as subsidiary questions. Fruit chart, masala chart, fruit chart, masala chart and potato chart. Third one. Whether it is a snack item. Snack. Snack means it is upma or noodles, vermicelli. The primary question is whether it is a snack. That snack item is upma or noodles or vermicelli. Like the questions are subsidiary questions. Next one, fourth one. Whether it is a drink. It is cool drink or juice or rasna. Fifth one. Whether it is a sweet or hot. Sweet or hot. We take any one question like whether it is sweet or whether it is a hot. In that time, laddu, kova, mixture and bundi. What is the question given? Ask your friend to think of the name of any food item. Now you have to guess its names. For this you can ask some questions. Your friend can only answer yes or no. How many questions did you ask before you could guess the name? Like this game, at home you practice with your mother or father, with your brother and sister. Guess the food item, like this question asking time. That is, maybe the food item is salad. In that time, the subsidiary questions are, that is vegetable salad or fruit salad. Like that question asking time, say yes or no. Your brother or your friend saying yes or no. In that time, you guess the perfect answer. It is salad. In that time, you ask, it is vegetable salad or fruit salad. In which item saying that yes say your friend saying yes, that is the answer. You saying vegetable salad. Like that time your friend saying yes no. That food item is vegetable salad. Like that questions. Ask your parents at home. Okay. Practice this game like. Okay. Now you note down this question. After I write 10th question and answer. Okay. Note down. Next, 10th question. I write answers only here. You write question with saying textbook. Okay? Next, 10th question. What is the 10th question given in textbook? List out the ingredients needed to make vada or the same for dosa. Identify the difference in your list. Note down the question. I write here answer only. Open textbook and note the 10th question in CW. I write here answer only. Ingredients of vada. You know which type of ingredients we want for preparing vada? Yes. Black gram, green chillies, curry leaves, ginger, salt. Main thing, oil also. We want preparation for vada, oil. Next one. Ingredients of dosa. Rice, black gram, salt. Now you observe the ingredients for vada and dosa. Here black gram, green chillies, curry leaves, ginger, salt, oil. This here also oil. Common things. Black gram. Salt, oil. Some different ingredients is here and here also have. Here green chillies, curry leaves, ginger are extra items. Here rice is the different item. Understood? Now you conclude. Black grams are the main source for both items. But for making vada, more number of ingredients. Here vada preparation we have so many ingredients, more number of ingredients than dosa. That's why I writing here making vada more number of ingredients are needed. That is the conclusion. Okay. Ingredients of vada. What are they? Black gram, green chillies, curry leaves, ginger, salt, oil. And ingredients of dosa. Rice, black gram, salt, oil. Black gram black gram are the main source for both items. Both items making with black gram dal. This is the main source. But for making vada, more number of ingredients are needed. Here, green chilies, curry leaves, ginger, these are extra ingredients. Understood? Note down. I write now 11th question and answer. Note down. Fastly note. Next one, 11th question. With seeing textbook, you know, 11th question. I write here 11th answer. Understood? What is the 11th question? Lata's mother has prepared the following statements for you. Find out the wrong one among these. Don't forget to give your reason. Here, Lata's mother is preparing some questions for you. Here given 3 questions. Don't forget to give your reason also. You saying yes or no? Yes or no? But you give answer with reason. You saying yes, no? In that time. Why? Why? The answer is yes. Give reason also. Okay. Next one. They have to given 3 questions. We can get food from plants and animals only. We can get food from plants and animals only. Say yes or no? Yes. Why? In lesson starting time, we learn about different food items from plant and animals. Main sources are plants and animals only. That's why it is correct. Now I write answer with reason also. Next one. Spices, oil, salt and meat are the ingredients of chicken curry. All or no? In chicken curry preparation, we want spicy, oil, salt and meat. That one also a correct. Write the reason. Plants are the sources of honey. Plants only sources of honey. No. Plants means or one of the part. Flowers containing honey. But honeybees gather that honey and stored into the cave. You know, no, that one. Understood? That one is wrong. Now I write answers. Note down. First question. What is the first question? We can get food from plants and animals only. That one is correct. Answer is correct. We are getting fruits, grains, leaves, flowers from plant and we are using them as a part of our food. We are getting milk, meat, cheese, eggs also. Eggs from animals. Next, B answer. What is the B questions? Spices, oil, salt and meat are the ingredients of chicken curry. That one also is correct. This is the answer. Here I am writing now that is reason. Reason for that answer correct. Okay. But to make the curry more delicious, we want tomatoes, onion, green chilies and coriander leaves are to be added. If you want more tasty or deliciously, we add the curry too. Tomatoes, onions, green chilies and coriander leaves. These are extra items. Question to not given this item. That's why we given like this reason. Next one, C. Wrong. What is the wrong? Plants are the source of honey. That is wrong. Why? Flowers contain nectar in them, which is sucked and carried by the honeybees. Honeybees. To ferment it to make honey. Hence, only flowering plants were the source of honey. Understood? Write fastly 10th and 11th question and answers also. After completing time, you send to your adapted teachers. Okay? Your teachers will correct that mistakes, your mistakes. Understood? Okay, thank you. We will meet in next class.